I'm quite literally having the worst time of my life. I'm not great at makeup because why was I doing all of that at 7 in the morning to see these people that I don't even like? We have matured. Please be kind to everyone during the holiday season. It's been a weird week. It's really tough out here. Just living. It seems like nobody's really doing Vlogmas this year. Hello everyone. Welcome to Vlogmas day 6. That also means that today is the opening day of the last stop of the Eras Tour. Now it's in Vancouver, which is on the West Coast. And I saw this like little chart on TikTok that said like the surprise songs would be at like 1:30. Girl, I can't stay up, unfortunately. I'm sorry, 1:30 a.m. is just a little bit late or early for me. Happy Friday. Today's gonna be a little bit different. I am working, but I'm also not working. Part of our holiday party this year is we are going over to the Knights Table Food Hub and we're going to volunteer. And the last time I went to the Knights Table Food Hub to volunteer was, I think, in high school when we used to do the Fast and the Service, which is where you go out into the community and volunteer, then you come back to the school to fast. They say it's 24 hours. I don't think it's 24 hours, but I thought it could be fun to get ready and do our makeup together. I always start with a tinted brow gel. This one is from Anastasia. This is the volumizing tinted brow gel in dark brown. I also have, I just realized that the label I think is rubbed off on that one. It's like the normal brow gel, and when I shopped the Sephora sale, this is the only one they had. Not my favorite. I still like that one better. The brush on this one is just like a little weird. I don't even know if you'll be able to tell. And I feel like it just distributes too much product at once. I like a tinted brow gel versus like a pencil because it's not 2016 anymore and I'm not going to be penciling in my eyebrows. I'm lazy, and brushing product through my brows is just way easier than doing the pencil method. Also, I never look good in like the pencil brows. This is just more my speed. I'm not great at makeup. That is not one of my strong suits. I hate putting on makeup. Only do it out of necessity because I don't want to go out in public ugly. I like the vibes that it brings, like doing your makeup, getting ready. I like the idea and the ambiance of getting ready. I just don't actually like getting ready. I will pick out 50 outfits, but I will not do eyeshadow. I don't think I've worn eyeshadow since I was in high school. As much as I like to think I'm young, that was a very long time ago. I am using the Supergoop Protected. This is so good, and I am pleading with Supergoop to bring this to Canada because I don't want to have to go to Buffalo every time. I like this one just because it provides like enough coverage to where it doesn't look so heavy. I go in with the Merit #1 brush. There are tons of brushes that are literally the exact same on the market. That's just like a really dense kabuki brush. This is the Merit complexion stick in sand. Right now, I've been loving these sticks just as kind of like concealer. Sometimes I'll use this all over my face. Sometimes I would just use it in problem areas. And then I will go in with my bronzer, which is also from Merit. I haven't worn like serious bronzer in a long time. I used to go into high school every single day, full beat done, and I used to get so mad with my mom when she was like, why are you wearing makeup to school? You're just going to school. Looking back on it, girl was right, because why was I doing all of that at 7 in the morning to see these people that I don't even like? We have matured. Then I'm going in with a Flush Bomb in Apri, gorgeous dark purple color. It's really intimidating. Literally tap it on like your brush twice. If you glide this on your face, bold. It is the craziest blush I have ever used. We're gonna go in with a highlighter, which this is not my favorite one. This is Bounce. I like the one in Kava. This one is just not, it doesn't have like the wow factor that Kava does. It's more of like a rose gold. It's all right. Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. This has been my tried and true since I started wearing makeup and buying makeup at Sephora. Before my setting spray fully dries though, I do go in with the Laura Mercier setting powder. This one is in the Translucent Honey. That is my base. And then I go in with mascara. I use only one drugstore mascara to waterproof mascara because my eyelashes, unfortunately, I was not blessed with spectacular lashes. We do have to curl them like 50 times, and we do have to put waterproof mascara or else the curl will die and I will be sad. I did recently try to do regular mascara and it just didn't end well for me. Too smudgy, too all over the place. My ultimate tried and true is the L'Oreal Telescopic mascara, and then I also have the Maybelline Lash Sensation original full fan effect. I don't love the Maybelline one. I decided to try a new one because there used to be a Maybelline mascara that I loved before trying the telescopic, and I, for the life of me, can't remember which one that is. Very last thing I do is I go in, lately I've been doing the Rare Beauty Kind Words matte lip liner in the shade Bun. Not my favorite. I do like the Patrick Tall one better, but that one is way more expensive. I just decided to get the Rare Beauty one. I do have lip balm on, which makes this a little bit difficult to get the color to show up. I could literally spend hours trying to perfect my lip liner, but I think this is as good as it's gonna get. I also still have to eat breakfast, so this is what we're working with. This is my makeup, so natural because I don't want to look too crazy. Very clearly, I am back at home and I decided I should probably get started on wrapping some of the presents. If you haven't watched, I can't even remember the vlog where it talks about what I got everyone for Christmas, I'll put it in the cards. Does anyone else cut wrapping paper with a knife? I feel like a knife is faster. Also, yesterday was leg day at the gym and my entire lower body, can't feel it, but I spent all day volunteering with my team. We packed like holiday hampers and I just haven't done that in so long. Please be kind to everyone during the holiday season or just in general because you really have no idea what people are going through. It's really tough out here just living. Also around the holiday season can be tough for a lot of people for a number of reasons. But anyways, we're almost at a week of doing Vlogmas, which is kind of crazy. It's been a weird week. Having a 9 to 5 and vlogging is absolutely no joke. For most of your favorite YouTubers, this is their full-time job and obviously work takes priority. So sometimes it's a shorter vlog. I hope we can all understand. It seems like nobody's really doing Vlogmas this year, or they're doing it on TikTok, which is so fun. All of my TikTok is Nurse Hannah and I don't have a kid. She shouldn't either. This weekend, I honestly have no plans. We finished all of our holiday shopping, including things for like my cousins and stuff. Don't think I'm going to vlog anymore tonight. I hope this vlog is long enough. My last couple of vlogs have been pretty short. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are enjoying Vlogmas so far. We're almost a week in, and like every day, I will see you guys tomorrow.